Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of ephemeral flux core welding. Welding has never been easier. The large LED display gives you precise control over settings, and the synergic adjustment makes setup effortless for beginners and pros alike. Looking for a powerful, portable, and versatile welder? Meet the 200A MIG welder, a 4-in-1 gas MIG, gasless flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding machine built for both beginners and pros. Let's dive into what makes this a must-have tool. This 110V and 220V multi-welder is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features synergic control, which automatically adjusts voltage and wire speed, so you get a smooth weld every time. And with its lightweight, portable design, you can take it anywhere, perfect for home projects, garage work, or even on-site repairs. The 4-in-1 multi-process feature means you can switch between gas MIG, gasless flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding effortlessly. Number 1 Gas MIG mode for clean, precise welds with shielding gas. Number 2 Flux core mode for deep penetration and strong welds without gas. Number 3 Stick mode for powerful, reliable welds on thicker materials. Number 4 Lift TIG for precise, high-quality welds on delicate metals. No matter the job, this welder adapts to your needs with high efficiency and IGBT inverter technology for stable performance. Built-in hot start, arc force, and anti-stick technology ensure smooth arc ignition and prevent electrode sticking, making every weld clean and professional. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, DIY projects, or metal fabrication, this welder delivers solid, reliable results on a variety of metals. When you're selecting wire diameter and gas material, the welder will automatically match recommended current and wire feed speed. So, it's very easy for beginners. Also, if you are experienced welder, you can adjust the welding current according to your personal welding habit. Built-in overcurrent protection, overload protection, overheating, and overvoltage function that extend the lifespan of the machine. Please feel free to use, it's very safe. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.